brow makeover kit from my DIY collection to make you your own brow expert. This has 2 long-lasting brow shades. I take a bit of the product with the light shade first. These products are highly pigmented, less is more, and I gently fill it in. And when I get to the tip, I use the darker shade and I blend the light and the dark shade together so that it can give you a 3D effect. And use concealer. Draw a fine thin line just beneath her brow line. Pops your eyebrows, it accentuates your shape and gives you an instant lift. To top it off, we have mascara gel. It is tinted to amp up your brow. I have created a very special DIY brow collection kit for all of you to become your own brow experts. Bipolar brow set gives you the most dramatic brow look ever. Brow defining pencil comes with 2 ends. One is a pencil and the other is a spoolie. This pencil is so creamy and matte finished. I create a shape that I desire, go with the brow shapes. And then after you create the brow shape, you fill it in with the hair-like strokes. Have a light hand, don't draw too many dark lines. With your spoolie brush, you gently brush it in to create the uniform effect so that the product is evenly spread out. Makeup always works with the dark and the light, intense colors and the muted colors. That's how you bring out the look on the face. On one end, you have a shimmery pencil. On the other, you have matte. So this matte side of the pencil, I draw on the brow bone and blend it in. If you think you're in a mood to party, if you want to add bling to it, this is the shimmery end. I'll put a dab of it on the brow bone and just pat it gently. Bipolar brow set was specially designed for you. Have you ever wondered how most of the Indian women get intense and dark, cold eyeliner? Every story is different, but my story starts from my grandmother's story. Sita was my grandmother's name. So she used to make kajal at home while we were young. She used to burn almonds all night long with a clarified butter, and she would collect the ashes and make a paste. So that was used to ward off evil, while you also attract good luck. And scientifically, it is proven that applying kajal on the waterline of your eyes makes your eyes look brighter and cleans your eyes. And I infused the essential oils and wax and created my own modern version of Sita Kajal. This product is smooth, creamy, and it glides through the eye line, so we can gently apply just below the lash line. Go back and forth to get the effect. You can even go on the top of the eyelid to get that smoky look. Take a smudging brush, go over and rub it back and forth. This gives you that ashy effect and makes eyes look more intense and glamorous. If you like precision edge eyeliner or a smoky look to your eyes, Sita Kajal is a perfect pencil for you. The red carpet kit was really created to up your brow game. It could be a late night party, a red carpet event, or a night out. It is a perfect kit to make you look like a star. I pigmented brow pomade. It comes in 3 different shades. An angled brush on one side and a spoolie on the other. I take a bit of brow pomade and draw a line from the center of the brow to the tip. So you can build or define or redefine the shape as you want, lightly filling in. I'm not using too much of the product. This product is highly pigmented. It is sweat-proof, smudge-proof, and waterproof. You can use the spoolie side of the brush so that the product is uniformly spread out. The second step is to use the brow lights. So it has two sides to the pencil, the shimmer and the matte. So I'm going to start with the matte side of the pencil. I'm going to draw a line, a fine line, just beneath her brow line and blend it in. Then I take the shimmery side of the pencil and put a little bit of shimmer on the brow bone. I use my fingers to blend it in. So third and the final step is using the brow gel mascara. Brow gel mascara comes in clear. This gel holds the brows in place. Perfect high definition brows for that special night. If you're looking for untamed, wild, and fast, our Quick Fix Brow Kit is the kit to go to. If you want your brows to be natural, organic looking, the first step is to use the microblade pen. I start from the inner corner, the brows, and I draw fine hair-like strokes. Makes your brows look so natural. Blends into the brows, stays on for 24 hours. So to top it, I'm using crystal clear mascara gel. It has the properties to hold the hair in place. If you're looking for wilder, fuller, and natural looking brows, our Badass Brow Wax is the perfect kit for you. Take the brush and dip it in the water and then scoop the product. Brush all the brow hair upward direction. The water helps to moisten the brow wax. It's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and it lasts all day and night. If you don't have fuller brows and you want your brows to be natural, you can always use our microblade pen. in the areas where you have scanty hair and fill it in. If you want flawless, elevated, fresh brow look, this kit is for your everyday brow and beauty care. The first piece in our kit is the Bombshell Brow Serum. It is made up of organic castor oil and rose extract, and it helps to grow and nourish the brow hair. You can also use it on your lash. Once you apply the brow serum, you take the spoolie brush and you gently brush over the brow hair. The second most important piece of our kit is a microblade pen. A gentle stroke creates feather-like lines. It is sweat-proof, waterproof, smudge-proof, and it lasts for about 16 hours. And this brow mascara gel is clear. You can sculpt it, you can define it, and keeps the hairs in place. And be camera ready with our double-sided Brow Lights Camera Action Pencil. It has a shimmery, glittery side on one end, and it has a velvety matte finish on the other. You start with the matte side of the pencil. You draw a line just below the brow line. It helps cover the imperfections around your eyes. This can be used as a concealer, as an eyeshadow. Now we use the shimmery side of the brow pencil. I just tap a little bit on the brow bone. So this is to add a little bit of shimmer and a pop to your brow shape. My Zoom Brow Day Kit is the only kit you'll ever need to get those natural and fresh looking brows. Do you want to take your brows from day look to the night look? All you need is my Zoom Brow Night Kit. This Bombshell Brow Serum has castor oil and rose extract. It helps condition and grow your brow hair. This Bombshell Brow Kit is the kit. I take the lighter shade and go on the inner corner of our brows and transform it with the darker shade. I blend the darker shade in the middle and then I glide my brush to the ends. Take the velvety creamy concealer and apply it just below the brow line. Dab the shimmery highlighter on the brow bone to create the instant lift. This is clear and this sculpts the brows and keeps the brow hair in place. This will leave you with the perfect dramatic brows all night.